Hello, everyone, and I welcome each one of you to day 2 of the virtual summer camp, the language classes by Shivangi. So, जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि हम ये वाली क्लास के अंदर we are working on how we can redesign our language skills, right? So, very good morning to each one of you. Good morning, Vinita, Sawita, Payal. A very good morning to one and all. So we are going to take another 2 minutes before we begin the session. So before that, I would want to know each one of you that have you solved the exercise? Have you solved Tom's problem? Remember, हम लोग कल टॉम की प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे थे, तो क्या आप लोगों ने एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करी, एक्टिविटी करी? A very good morning, each one of you. Yes, so I just want to know from each one of you कि आप लोगों ने एक्टिविटी करी. I told you कि रावल डिजिटल मंच पे हम लोग एक एक्टिविटी डालेंगे which is going to be a short test for all of you to check कि हम टॉम को हेल्प कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे फ्यूचर में. Remember? All right, a lot of students says yes ma'am, we have done the activity. That's so good. That's very good. I can see a lot of yes coming in. Interesting. So a lot and a lot of yes. A very good morning. You solved? How many of you are very excited to know the answers? Are you excited to know the answers? I think you would be, of course. Tom को लगता है सबने help करना है. Yes? You want to go back to your school and you want to help your friends, right? Specifically your friend named Tom. Very good, very interesting. So I think I should also give you a big heart and a big thumbs up. I told you that I'm going to give you a virtual chocolate, remember? I told you that we are going to have virtual chocolates in language classes. So I'm going to give you virtual chocolates to each one of you, those who have completed the assessment or completed the assignment. In case जो बच्चे नहीं कर पाए हैं वो आज जाके याद से जरूर उस असाइनमेंट को सॉल्व करेंगे ताकि हम लोग टॉम की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सके. टॉम की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने से पहले we should be pretty clear about our concepts. Yes? A lot of yes. It's very exciting to see. You're very excited? And so do we. All right, I can see a lot and a lot of enthusiasm. Okay. So the answers for the worksheet will be posted. Okay. जो आंसर्स हैं वर्कशीट के वो हम आपको पोस्ट करेंगे, आप लोग उसे चेक करेंगे एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस योर डाउट्स इफ यू हैव एनी. ओके, so don't worry, I'll be posting the answers today for the activity that I have given you yesterday. Is that all right? Is that all right? Okay, so I think just 2 more minutes and then we'll start because there are some more students who are going to come and today we have a different story. आज की स्टोरी अलग सी है, आज का टॉपिक अलग सा है. सो आज के टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप लोगों के माइंड में आपको कुछ शेयर करना हो, अपनी कल की क्लास का फीडबैक देना हो, कल किस किस को क्लास में क्या क्या समझ आया, तो हम लोग वो कर सकते हैं. बाय द टाइम हमारे बाकी फ्रेंड्स ज्वाइन करेंगे. ऑलराइट, बाकी सारे फ्रेंड्स ज्वाइन करेंगे. सो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, हम लोग यहाँ पे 2 मिनट रुकेंगे और हम लोग कल की क्लास का रिवाइज करेंगे. सो कैन आई आस्क यू कि हमने कल क्या किया था, कौन सा टॉपिक कवर किया था हमने कल? मैं देख सकती हूँ कि कल वाले बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स आज ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स द क्लास वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड दैट्स हाउ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग टुडे. सो अगर मैं आप लोगों से पूछूं कि हम लोगों ने कल क्या कवर किया था, कैन यू लेट मी नो? कैन यू टेल मी? Can you tell me what all things we have covered yesterday? Thank you, Aparna. The class was interesting only because you enjoyed and because you wanted to learn something. कोई भी चीज इंटरेस्टिंग ऐसे नहीं होती, जब तक हमें कुछ सीखना होता है, जब हम किसी चीज को सीखने के लिए इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं तभी ये सारी चीजें इंटरेस्टेड होती हैं. रिमेंबर पूजा मैम का लेक्चर? Yes, so don't seek negativity. Always look forward for positivity, and that's how you're going to shine. Yes? Very good. Simple past tense and perfect tense. All right. Very good. Past linkers. Great. Very good response. Tom's problem. Yes. So the topic for yesterday was Tom's problem. And Tom की problem क्या थी? Present perfect tense versus past tense. And that's how he was very confused कि कैसे solve करूं. तो हमने उसकी problem solve करने की कोशिश की थी, right? Very good. Past tense and present tense. हम लोगों ने present tense तो नहीं किया था, हमने किया था present perfect tense. Can you tell me the rules? आप लोग मुझे बता सकते हो कि हमने कल बहुत छोटा सा टॉपिक किया था और हमने वो क्या किया था, दो टेंस के बीच में जो हम सबसे ज्यादा ग्रामर की मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, हमने वो टू टेंसेस को उठाया था और हमने वो बहुत शॉर्ट पोर्शन ऑफ ग्रामर उठा के हमने उस पर बात की थी, राइट? तो हमने कोई बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक नहीं किया था, बट हमने एक ऐसा टॉपिक किया था जिसमें हम बहुत सारी ग्रामर मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, जस्ट लाइक टॉम, और हमें बहुत सारी कंफ्यूजन भी होती है, राइट? सो अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि यार अब मुझे आप लोग बताओ कि डिफरेंस क्या है प्रेजेंट टेंस में, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में और पास्ट टेंस में, तो कोई मुझे बताएगा? आई विल गिव यू वर्चुअल चॉकलेट्स एज प्रॉमिस्ड. यस, सो आई डोंट हैव अ मिस्ट्री बॉक्स बट आई हैव वर्चुअल चॉकलेट्स. Yes? So can you tell me? Can you tell me the difference between past tense and present perfect tense जो हमने कल किया था? I would be really happy to see you answering, and I can see a lot of students are answering, which is really good to see. So I'll give you 2 minutes. Quickly write down your answers in the comments section, that what is the difference between present perfect tense and सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. तो एक बहुत छोटा सा टॉपिक हमने पिक किया था. इसी तरीके से आज भी हम एक न्यू टॉपिक पिक करेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मास्टर दी लैंग्वेज स्किल्स. ऑलराइट, सो पास्ट टेंस इज अ वर्क दैट हैज बीन डन और ओवर. ओके, an action is over is called a past tense. Very good, excellent. Keep replying. Good to see a lot of replies. Students, don't forget, you'll get virtual chocolates, you'll get hearts and thumbs up in the chat box. Present perfect tense uses for the action that is complete just now, that has completed just now. Okay, when an action is going on is known as present tense. Babita Rajput, स्टूडेंट प्लीज चेक व्हाट यू हैव रिटन. एक बार चेक करो, आपने कुछ थोड़ा सा एरर करा है जिसकी वजह से सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज हो रहा है. एन एक्शन इज डन इज कॉल्ड पास्ट टेंस. वेरी गुड. पास्ट टेंस that have done or over, that is done or over. The action is done. Past tense नहीं done हो जाता. Past tense के अंदर क्या done हो जाता है? Past tense के अंदर the action is done. Alright, so past tense नहीं done होता. And when we talk about redesigning our language skills, so it is extremely important for us to know कि हम उसको रीडिजाइन कैसे करेंगे. सबसे पहली चीज क्या करनी चाहिए? वी हैव टू हैव कॉन्शियसनेस. हम जो भी कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हमें कॉन्शियस होना पड़ता है, राइट? सो व्हेनेवर वी राइट समथिंग, just make a note that you revise before sending it or maybe before submitting it. Action that is going on. So very nicely written. So Poonam has written past tense is a tense which is done in past. Perfect is tense which was started in the past and completed just right now. Okay. Present perfect tense, that action is recently done. All right. Excellent, students. Looking at the response, I can see that आप लोगों को कल का टॉपिक बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया and we are good to go and help. Yes? Okay. So, now let's start with today's topic. An action is going on is called present tense. No, why are we talking about present tense, Vinita? We are just talking about present perfect tense. Don't get into present tense. All right. So thank you so much for replying. Now it's time for us to listen to the new case study and new story for the day. And the new story for the day is that there was a girl. Thank you everyone. You are writing correct answers, which is something very good. And for that, I think you need a big round of applause. So in my dictionary, there's something called big round of applause, which happens to be like this. Circle karke clap. So this is like for all of you from my side, and I can see that you have done it excellently. So thumbs up. Good to go. Yes? All right. Anyone else who would want to answer maybe? A lot of thumbs up and a lot of likes from my end. Yes? For all my lovely students. So I think you can see a lot of thumbs up and hearts from my end. Yes? Great. So now, thank you. Thank you so much for your answers, for your replying back. It was really good. So आज की story सुने. There's something very interesting. Okay? Should I start with the story? Yes? No? Are you excited? Are you all excited? Very excited? All right. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम लोग daily ना कुछ new words सीखेंगे. All right. So since all of you say that you're very excited, can you give me some 2 or 3 new words which can replace the word called excited? Excited के synonyms, similar words. अब सारे students तो ये नहीं बोलेंगे ना मैम I'm very excited, right? सब students तो ये नहीं बोलेंगे मैम I'm very excited. So I want new words. All right. So can you give me some new words for the word called excited? Excited का new word चाहिए मेरे को. Some synonyms. Anyone? A big chocolate, a virtual chocolate for all of you. No, you don't know, Ashish. All right, we can try. Okay, so one new word ma'am is going to tell you, and the new word is I am very thrilled. I'm very thrilled. So when I say I'm very excited, can you also say I'm thrilled? Yes? Extremely happy. All right, very good. What else? What else? Thrilled. Or कोई new word? A new word. Okay, so I'll give you a hint. आप new word guess करना. Okay. So elevated, very good. Surprise. Excitement is not about surprise. So elevated is the right word. Interesting, okay. Though it's not the synonym, but ठीक है, okay. Enthusiastic, all right. A lot of good answers. So the synonym for the word thrilled is excited, or excited ka synonym thrilled. Yes. Pile, electrified, very nice word. Very nice word. So what do you understand by the word electrified? Electrified means, imagine करो जब लाइट नहीं होती और अचानक से बिजली आ जाती है, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लोग पार्टी कर रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और अचानक से लाइट चली गई, कंप्लीट डार्कनेस, बट द मोमेंट the bulb glows, electricity comes and the bulb glows, what happens? You all are electrified to cut the cake. Yes? You all are electrified to cut the cake. Exhilarated, very good. So a lot of new words, a lot of new words. So the activity for the day is एक्टिविटी फॉर द डे इज, आप लोग बहुत ब्यूटिफुली सारे स्टूडेंट्स 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाओगे. You all are you all are going to make 5 sentences using the word excited, using the synonyms of the word called excited. Okay, and after that you're going to decorate that sheet very beautifully. So हम लोग एक क्या बनाएंगे, हम लोग एक बहुत अच्छी सी mysterious book बनाएंगे. We are going to create a mysterious book. Just like Pooja has got mystery box, we are going to create a mysterious book. And in every class, we are going to write some new words. We are going to write some new words, and those new words are going to be a mystery. And those new words are going to be a mystery for your teachers. When you will go back to school, you're going to tell them, you're going to show them these booklets that you will create. बहुत सुंदर सी. रिमेंबर हम जब छोटे होते थे तो हम डायरीज बनाते थे. हॉलिडे होमवर्क में हमें बोलते थे कि डिक्शनरी बनाओ. सिमिलरली आप लोगों ने बहुत सुंदर सी क्रिएटिव सी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट तो आप सारे सीख ही रहे हो, राइट? नाउ द होमवर्क फॉर द डे इज you have to make 5 sentences. You have to make 5 sentences using the synonyms for the word called excited. Using the word called excited, you will decorate that sheet. उसको बहुत beautifully अच्छे से draw करोगे. अगर आपके माइंड में कोई स्टोरी आ रही है तो आप स्टोरी बना के सुंदर से बबल्स बना सकते हो. Alright, and you are going to share the pictures on the Ravel Digital Munch. Okay, every day you will learn maybe like one new word and some synonyms. Okay, और उसकी हम क्या बनाएंगे? Mysterious book. Okay, we are going to create mysterious book, and in that mysterious book, you are going to write 5 sentences every day using the synonyms for the word that we'll discuss in the class. All right, and after the end of this virtual summer camp, I would like to see your mystery books, okay, those dictionaries that you will create, and we are going to give you the gift. We are going to give you the gift for making the best mystery book. So we'll have winners, first, second, third winner. All right, people. So super excited, thrilled. Yes, I'm very electrified to see all these things. I'm very poor at art and craft, so I love art and craft work. So I want that my students are going to show me something very, very interesting, very, very thrilling. All right? And tomorrow, before the session, मैं चाहती हूँ कि रावल डिजिटल मंच के पेज पे बहुत सारे exciting mystery pages हों. ठीक है? All right? Give me a thumbs up. So Pooja's chocolate is pending. Pooja will get her virtual chocolate courier maybe. And so I love all of my students. Thank you so much for showing so much love and enthusiasm. All right. Shubhi says, ma'am, please repeat. All right, Shubhi. So the word that we have done for the day is excited. The word that we have done for the day is excited. आज का new word हमने क्या किया? The new word is excited. तो आपने excited के कोई भी 5 sentences बनाने हैं, but you have to use the synonyms. You have to use the synonyms. Okay, and when you make those synonyms, आपने वो शीट को बहुत अच्छे से ब्यूटीफुली डेकोरेट करना है. आप उसमें स्टोरीज बना सकते हो. आपने अपनी मिस्ट्री बुक को बहुत मिस्टीरियस बनाना है. बस मुझे ये पता है. Ideas. I know you all are creative people. I am very old at giving creative ideas now. I only know English in my life now. So art and craft, mystery, mysterious books, you know better. Yes. So, Swati says, ma'am, how you speak fluently? Very good question. So, Swati, why I speak fluently is because when I speak, I am consciously observing myself. हम सब बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं. You know what? The best part is that we all speak very good English. गलत और सही कुछ नहीं होता. हम जैसा बोलते हैं लाइफ में अच्छा या बुरा बोलने से बेटर है कि हम बोलें. राइट? कितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो मैम के पास ही नहीं जाते. उनको कोई डाउट होता है, वो सोचते हैं कि पूछे ही ना क्योंकि मैम डांटेंगी. राइट? ऐसा ही तो होता है स्कूल्स में. मैम हमें कुछ समझा रही होती है, हमें नहीं समझ आता, हम पूछते ही नहीं है. हम क्यों नहीं पूछते? क्योंकि हमें ऐसा लगता है कि पूछने से मैम नाराज होंगी, मैम को गुस्सा आएगा, मैम को ये लगेगा कि इतना इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा है, इसको डाउट कैसे आ सकता है, राइट? तो ये सारी चीजें ना हमारे माइंड में होती हैं, ये हमारा माइंडसेट है, हमें ऐसा लगता है, ओके? बट द पॉइंट इज दैट आप सही बोलो या आप गलत बोलो, आप अच्छा बोलो या आप बुरा बोलो, वो सारी बात की बातें हैं। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, आप बोलना सीखो एंड यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट। आप गलत भी बोल रहे हो तो आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलो एंड देन यू सी यू विल बिकम फ्लुएंट इन नो टाइम, माई गारंटी, ओके? सो मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज बिकॉज वी डोंट कम्युनिकेट। हम बात ही करना पसंद नहीं करते। यस yes, हम बहुत सारा टाइम पबजी खेल सकते हैं, हम बहुत सारा टाइम नेटफ्लिक्स देख सकते हैं, वी कैन यू नो बिंज ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स फॉर लाइक एंटायर डे, बट बात नहीं कर सकते हम, राइट? And then if we'll not talk, if we will not speak, if we will not communicate, then at the end of the day we would not be able to understand कि हमें improvement की जरूरत भी है या नहीं है, right? हमने कभी बोला ही नहीं और हम कैसे decide कर लें कि हम fluent नहीं है? At least हम बोल के देखें तो सही, शायद हम बहुत fluent हो, even better than me, better than anyone in this world. Yes? So first of all, love yourself and start speaking. गलत ही तो बोलोगे, इट्स ओके। गलत बोलने पे कोई मारेगा थोड़े ना, एग्जाम थोड़े ना हो रहा है, राइट? एग्जाम में कम मार्क्स आएंगे तो समझ में आता है, मम्मा डांटेंगी, टीचर्स बोलेंगी, बट ये तो बोलना है ना। एंड वी ऑल हैव गॉट फंडामेंटल राइट टू स्पीक, दैट इज कॉल्ड फंडामेंटल राइट टू स्पीच। आई नो आप सबकी सिविक्स बहुत अच्छी होगी, यस? ऑलराइट, so I think students are very excited for virtual chocolates, which is why I think Draval Digital Munch need to launch something called virtual chocolates now, right? So we will take care of that, don't worry, we'll take care of that, okay? So very quickly let's talk about the activity for the day, and मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छी सी स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी और आपको उससे समझना है कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है जेरी की। अब डेली रोज एक स्टूडेंट मेरे पास आता है आप ही की तरह कि मैम मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी है, मुझे ये टॉपिक समझ नहीं आता। सिमिलरली लास्ट इवनिंग अ गर्ल नेम जेरी from a school, she studies in school and she is in class 8th, okay? She came to me and she said that Shivangi ma'am, I think that I am not able to make sentences correctly. मेरे sentences में बहुत सारी grammar mistakes होती हैं। तो I said okay, तो क्योंकि वो बहुत डिप्रेस थी तो मैंने सोचा कि उसको थोड़ा सा ना enthusiastic करते हैं, थोड़ा सा excitement लाते हैं उसके अंदर। So we started our conversation and we started conversing. The moment we started conversing, तो मैंने जेरी से बहुत सारी चीजें पूछी, लाइक जेरी व्हेन यू गो टू स्कूल व्हाट ऑल एक्टिविटीज यू डू? आप मॉर्निंग में स्कूल जाते हो, ऑलराइट, यू रीच स्कूल, so what do you do the first thing? What is the first thing that you do when you go to school? All right, so what is the first action or what is the first activity that you do when you enter the school, if I may ask you? Anyone? हम जब स्कूल जाते हैं तो सबसे पहली एक्टिविटी क्या होती है मॉर्निंग में? Yes? Do we do something? मैं तो करती थी अपने स्कूल में जाके, एक बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी होती थी हमारी, सुबह सुबह हम प्लेग्राउंड में सब लोग असेंबल हो जाते थे एंड देन समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। कैन आई गेट द नेम फॉर दैट? आई विल गिव वर्चुअल चॉकलेट्स टू एवरीवन, डोंट वरी। ओके, सो यू वेक अप, ऑलराइट, आई मीट माई फ्रेंड्स, ओके। तो आप मुझे सेंटेंसेस नहीं लिख के दोगे, आप सिर्फ मुझे एक्टिविटीज का नाम बताओगे, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल वेकिंग अप, praying God, okay, meeting friends, very good, assembling, okay. So मुझे सिर्फ activities के names चाहिए, I don't want the words in the sentences, I just want dancing, drawing, playing, studying, ऐसे words चाहिए मुझे, I just want activities, okay? Okay, I just want activities. Sitting on my favorite seat, okay. Praying, no prayer. Tell me praying. Say the word praying God, okay. assembly. Okay, assembling. assembly तो एक noun हो गया ना, मतलब आप assembly में गए. So assembling, sitting quietly, all right. Munching, don't write munch, write munching. Okay. Last seat पे बैठ के chocolate munch करना, I used to do a lot. I remember I used to do a lot. Playing cricket, very good. Dancing, okay. Power yoga, all right. Prayer to God, okay. What else? और क्या क्या करते हो स्कूल में जाके? सिंगिंग क्लास नहीं होती आपकी? Exercising, okay. Skating, very nice. Horse riding, anyone? Speaking, state speaking. State speaking को हम बोल सकते हैं public speaking में भी, all right. Assembling together, playing, very good. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज तो हम सब भूल ही गए. क्या करते हैं स्कूल में जाके? स्टडिंग भी तो करते हैं. Meeting friends, praying God, okay. Dancing in Zumba class, greeting ma'am, all right. So many activities, and this is what Jerry told me, right? So Jerry said that, ma'am, I do a lot of talking, playing, eating, munching, dancing, sleeping. You know, she said that, ma'am, I also go in school and I sleep for some time. I said, all right, that's very interesting, because she used to get some free periods as well, free lectures, eating fruits. Then she said that, ma'am, I used to munch a lot, so she did munching and a lot of things. So can you tell me what are these things called? These are called activities. ये सारी activities होती हैं, right? These all are activities. Can you tell me another word for the word called activities? Activities के लिए एक दूसरा word बताओगे मुझे? Anyone? Then a virtual chocolate पक्का. Sharing lunch. What is the other word for the word called activities? Anyone? ये सारी चीजें क्या हो रही हैं? Playing, dancing, eating, drinking, munching, singing. What is this? These are called greeting people, eating, studying. What are these called? These are all activities, and they are also called as activities. Very good. Okay, I'll give you a hint. जिस वर्ड के बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ वो वर्ड ए से स्टार्ट होता है. एक्टिविटीज का ही एक और वर्ड होता है जो हम क्या बोलते हैं? So, अगर आप लोगों को नहीं आ रहा तो आप मुझे बोल सकते हो कि मैम वी गिव अप, एंड यू हैव टू टेल द आंसर. Actions, absolutely correct, Shubhi. So, of course, Shubhi will get a virtual chocolate in a form of a heart from me. So, yes, Shubhi, this heart was for you. So, Shubhi, exactly and absolutely correct answer. Shubhi said that these all are actions. I said, okay. So, Jerry said, ma'am, these are all the activities that I do when I go to school. And some activities were done by her. Some activities were done by her teacher. Some activities were done by her friends. All right. So, what is happening? हर activity का कोई ना कोई क्या है? So, every action is performed by someone or maybe something. Yes. And that someone and something is what? Charu, we give up. No. Somebody has also already told the answer. So, Shubhi has already told the answer. So, I have already given a virtual chocolate in a form of a heart to Shubhi. All right. So, talking about the actions. Ab ye sare actions. Now, Jerry said that, ma'am, I'm very excited and I love going to school. And we do all such actions every day when we go to school. And it's like from 7 till 1, we are all packed because we are doing these actions. And I said, okay. And I also got a chance to go back to my school days and recall all the activities that I used to do. So now my question to you people is कि ये सारे के सारे actions हैं. अब ये सारे के सारे actions कोई कर रहा है, right? Somebody is performing these actions or someone is performing these actions, right? Who is that person or what is that thing? Anyone? Subject. Absolutely correct. So, to every action that we perform or to every action that is performed in the school, there is also a doer for that. कोई भी action के लिए doer होता है, right? You always get a doer for something. Exactly. So I think the virtual chocolate again goes to Shubhi. So that is called the subject. और जो हमने actions के बारे में बात करी थी वो सारे actions क्या थे? Remember Jerry told me that ma'am I go to school every day and we do a lot of activities and those activities were the actions, the doing words. And in English, doing words or action words are called, what are they called? Again a virtual chocolate game. Quickly. What is that called? So all the activities and the actions that Jerry did in our school, or maybe what you all do in your school, what is that called? Just like doer जो है, जो action perform करता है, उसको आपने बताया subject बोलते हैं. Good, good, very good, excellent. But then I want to know, what do you call? Yeah, very good. So it is Khushwin. All right, Khushwin. So here your chocolate, your virtual chocolate comes to you. Catch a little heart from my side, and when we'll meet, I'll give you a chocolate in real. Okay? So with this, today's topic is subject-verb agreement. All right? So now when I talk about subject, subject is the doer of the action. Yes? Subject can be a thing, subject can be a person, right? And now when I say subject can be a thing and subject can be a person, it could also be a place. It is a noun basically, right? And actions are the verbs. All the actions are the verbs. Are we now excited to help Jerry solve this issue? Are we excited to solve Jerry's problem? Yes, guys. Yes? No? Maybe not? My pleasure, Khushwin. So you deserved a virtual chocolate and that's how you got. So today we are going to solve some of the issues. So Jerry came and Jerry said, remember Jerry came to Shivangi ma'am last evening and she told that Shivangi, मैम दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम दैट आई फेस. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे सेंटेंसेस ना ग्रामेटिकली इनकरेक्ट हो जाते हैं और मेरी मैम हमेशा एक रेड लाइन लगा देती है मेरे सेंटेंस के नीचे, राइट? सो देन आई सेड ओके जेरी. मैंने जेरी के साथ एक क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड किया और मुझे उससे पता चला कि जेरी की जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के अरेंजमेंट में है, कि उसको ये नहीं पता चलता कौन से सब्जेक्ट के साथ कौन सा वर्ब लगाऊं, राइट? सो टुडे द टॉपिक इज सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट. Are we excited? Are we thrilled? Electrified, maybe? Yes? All right. So with this, I'll be showing you some rules. And these rules, you have to understand and you have to learn them. Okay? English is not difficult. English is a funny language. Okay? रोहित, मैं कौन सी टीचर हूँ? मैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की टीचर हूँ and we are doing some activities and some games through which we are learning English. Okay? All right. So talking about the problem, so हम लोग जेरी की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए कुछ रूल्स लर्न करेंगे, कुछ रूल्स पढ़ेंगे और उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, जेरी की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे एज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एन एक्टिविटी. Just like yesterday, we got an activity to solve Tom's issue, Tom's problem. Tom was very depressed yesterday, yes? But today he told me in the morning, he called me up and he said that, ma'am, I'm very happy. So I just want that Jerry should also call me tomorrow morning and she should say that, yes, ma'am, my problem is solved. Okay? All right, guys. So students, can you so Vanita, your virtual chocolate is here. All right, people. So can you see my screen? Is my screen visible to each one of you? Okay. Okay. So, next, the first problem that Jerry said, first sentence जो Jerry ने मुझे अपना दिखाया था वो ये था. So Jerry said, can you see this sentence? Should I zoom my screen a little? Yes. Can you see the colored screen? Like, you know, some patches of red, blue, green. Okay. Next. Next thing, the list of items. The list of items is or are on the desk. Pehla question, pehla sentence that Jerry showed me yesterday was the list of, the screen is not clear? Better? Rainbow colors? Yeah. So there's a reason why I've done rainbow colors. Is the screen still not clear? I can see the screen very clearly, even in the... Hello? Lakshmi, is my voice clear now for you? Guys, can you please tell me if my voice is clear or not? Okay. All right. So the first question that Jerry told me was the list of items is or are on the desk. The list of items is or are on the desk. What is the answer? बहुत सारे बच्चों ने is लिखा है, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने are लिखा है. What is the answer, guys? You tell me what is the answer. Okay. A lot of students say are. Shubhi says is. Okay. Now, tell me one thing. What is the subject in this sentence? इस sentence में subject कौन सा है? What is the subject in this sentence, students? Tell me the subject in this sentence. I know the answer is are that you are saying, but I'll disclose the secret later. What I'm asking to you is that कि इस sentence में subject कौन सा है? Give me the subject. Can you tell me what is the subject? A lot of students are saying is, are, all right. कोई problem नहीं है. बस मुझे ये बताओ कि subject क्या है? Items, okay. The list of items, okay. List, very good, Nisha. The list, okay. Okay. List of item. Item नहीं है, items है. Items is a subject, all right. Okay. So I can see कि आपकी भी वही confusion है जो जेरी की confusion थी. जेरी said कि मैम मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता कि ऐसे sentences में subject क्या होगा. जब भी हमारे को मिल जाता है the list of items, the group of friends, the group of players, a bouquet of flowers, right? So when I talk about a bouquet of flowers, a list of things, yes. So in sentences like these, जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट होता है वो सब्जेक्ट कभी भी ये वाला वर्ड नहीं होता, ऑफ के बाद वाला वर्ड नहीं होता. सो कैन यू सी द पर्पल थिंग? आइटम इज इन द पर्पल कलर. यस, आइटम इज इन द पर्पल कलर. इन सच सेंटेंसेस जब मैं बोलती हूँ माई मदर गॉट अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, अब बुके तो एक ही है ना, चाहे फ्लावर्स बहुत सारे हों. बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स बन के ही तो बुके बनते हैं. यस, बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स मिलके ही तो एक बुके बनाते हैं. सिमिलरली बहुत सारी आइटम्स मिलके ही तो क्या बनाती हैं? लिस्ट बनाती हैं. तो सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट आइटम्स, द सब्जेक्ट इज द लिस्ट. द सब्जेक्ट इज लिस्ट एंड द आंसर इज लिस्ट. क्या है? लिस्ट सिंगुलर है तो वर्ब क्या होगी? वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होगी एंड द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी इज. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी आर. It is breaking or blunt. Okay, I hope it's better now. Maybe. So the answer is going to be is. The list of items, is or are on the desk. So the list of items is on the desk. Everybody clear? Everyone clear? Okay. Now next. Is that clear? सो रूल नंबर 1 क्या है? रूल नंबर 1 जो मैंने जेरी को भी सिखाया और जो मैं आपको भी बताना चाहती हूँ वो ये है कि कभी भी एक सेंटेंस में जब भी अ सब्जेक्ट विल कम बिफोर अ फ्रेज, जब भी आपको सेंटेंस में ऑफ दिखेगा ना, द लिस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स, अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, यस, अ टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स, कभी भी ये ऑफ वाला फ्रेज दिख के आपको कभी भी कोई सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होते हुए मिलेगा तो आपको हमेशा याद रखना है कि जो सब्जेक्ट होगा वो हमेशा क्या होगा? सिंगुलर होगा. क्योंकि बुके क्या है? बुके इज वन. फ्लावर्स बहुत सारे हैं पर बुके तो एक है. सो अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स इज, अ टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स इज. यस, ओके. सो सिमिलरली दे से, मैंने फिर जेरी को ये बताया कि जितने भी राइटर्स होते हैं जो बहुत जल्दी लिखते हैं, जो बहुत जल्दी में होते हैं, हेस्टी राइटर्स, स्पीकर्स, रीडर्स, वो बहुत सारी बारी ये वाली गलती करते हैं. वो बहुत सारी बारी ये वाली गलती करते हैं. Can you listen to me? Can you all listen to me, guys? All right. So the point is that whenever we talk about these rules, जब भी हम ये वाले sentences की बात करते हैं तो सबसे important चीज हमें क्या याद रखनी है कि कभी भी किसी भी सेंटेंस में ऑफ वाला पॉइंट आ जाएगा, कभी भी कोई सब्जेक्ट के अंदर सब्जेक्ट पूरा करने के लिए अगर ऑफ का यूज होगा, ऑलराइट, तो वो हमेशा एक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा। तो हम लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा केयरफुल रहने की जरूरत है, हमें बहुत ज्यादा केयरफुल रहने की जरूरत है। और किस लिए केयरफुल रहना है? हमें केयरफुल इसलिए रहना है क्योंकि हम बहुत सारी बारी ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में मिस्टेक्स कर देते हैं। इज दैट ऑल राइट विद एवरीवन? Is that all right with everyone? Any questions? Anyone? Maybe yes, maybe no. Yes, students. Any questions? Any problems? Okay. So I'm very sorry. There was a small technical issue because of which I was logged out. Okay. Next, can we solve this answer? Can we solve this question? Okay. So can you see this question? The one that is written on the screen. A bouquet of yellow roses lend color and fragrance to the room. Can you see? So a bouquet of yellow roses lend color and fragrance to the room. Is the sentence correct or incorrect? Thank you, Swati. Is the sentence correct? Okay. So you say a bouquet of yellow roses lend color and fragrance to the room. The sentence is correct. पहला वाला sentence correct है. All right. Payal says, no ma'am, the first sentence is incorrect. Nisha also says it's incorrect. Why it is incorrect? What is the subject in this sentence? The subject is a bouquet. The subject is a bouquet. Yellow roses subject नहीं है. कैसे पता चला yellow roses subject नहीं है? We got to know because we can see the word called off. We can see the word called off. Yes. Can we see the word called off? And therefore, the first sentence is incorrect and the second sentence is correct. क्योंकि bouquet क्या है? Bouquet is singular. Bouquet is singular and therefore verb भी कैसा आया? Singular subject के साथ verb कैसा होता है? When we get singular subject, जैसे कि यहाँ पे subject singular था तो verb कैसा था? Singular था. Similarly, verb यहाँ पे subject यहाँ पे क्या है? Singular है तो verb भी क्या होगा? It's going to be singular. All right. Subject is bouquet. Yes, correct. Very good. Because it is after off. Yes. Thank you, Vanita. All right. So I think आप लोगों को जेरी की प्रॉब्लम समझ आई. Yes. All of you have got the idea कि जेरी को प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ रही है and that's how you have tried helping Jerry by understanding the most important rule of subject verb agreement, and this rule is called the first and the most important rule for subject verb agreement. Yes? All of you? Any concerns? Any issues? Any problems? Any concerns? Any issues? Okay. So are we ready for today's exercise? Do you want today's homework? Activity for home? हमारे पास इतना सारा free time है that we can do a lot of activities. So yesterday's activity you said that you have done, and I'm so happy to see that most of the students have done. Okay, so I can see that you people have no issues, and that's how you want me to give you a short exercise. So I'll be giving you a short exercise for this rule that we have done today. All right, so you have got two homeworks to do. One, you have to make the mysterious book. Remember mysterious book? So you have to make one mysterious book, and you have to write 5 sentences using the word excited, and you will be given an activity for the rule that we have done today. I also enjoy teaching a lot of you, and I can see a lot of you are very enthusiastic to learn. Keep learning, keep smiling. My best wishes are always with you. Yes? Too excited for the activity, and I'm also very excited to see the creative masterpiece. I think all of you want virtual chocolates tomorrow. So, आज शाम तक या कल मॉर्निंग तक सारे के सारे बच्चे रावल डिजिटल मंच पे अपनी ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल मिस्टीरियस पेजेस डालेंगे जो आप आज बनाओगे. इज दैट क्लियर? ऑल गुड? कंफ्यूजन कोई प्रॉब्लम हो होमवर्क में, होमवर्क ना समझ आओ, डू लेट मी नो वंस अगेन. सो ऑल ऑफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू व्हाट? You all are going to make mysterious pages using the word excited. 5 sentences using the word excited, उसके synonyms के साथ. Thrilled, electrified, exhilarate. Yes? Remember? And you will get some 10 questions for this, 10 fill-ups for the rule that we have done today, so that tomorrow morning when Jerry will meet me, at least I can say Jerry that Jerry हम आपको help करेंगे. Yes? I am super excited to see your mystery pages, guys. Make them beautifully. And I'll be posting them on, I'm going to post all of them on Ravel Digital Munch page. And at the end of this, short program that we are doing, the training program, after this course, we will also do, you have to, so अभी तो आपकी mysterious book पूरी नहीं हुई ना, अभी तो आप सिर्फ आज mysterious page बनाओगे, बट आपने उसको क्या करना है, आपने वो सारे pages को जोड़ के लास्ट में mysterious book बनानी है. So daily we will be learning one new word and some synonyms. ठीक है पूनम? All right? ठीक है? So should we leave for the day? Okay, you want me to repeat? And I'm also very excited to see your creative masterpiece. ठीक है ना? Swati, so make it very beautifully. I want to see beautiful mysterious books. So Rajiv, your first homework is that you have to make a mystery page जहां पे आपने क्या लिखने हैं. आज हमने words याद करे हैं, synonyms याद करे हैं surprise word के. Okay? Oh sorry, excited word के. So excited के synonyms thrilled, exhilarated, electrifying, yes, enthusiastic. हमने ये सारे के सारे words आज पढ़े हैं जो किसके synonyms हैं, जो किससे मिलते हैं excited word के दूसरे words, similar words. तो आपने ये 5 या 6 वर्ड्स मिला के आपने कोई भी 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं एक पेज के ऊपर, और आप उस पेज को डेकोरेट कर सकते हो, उस पेज के अंदर कोई पिक्चर्स वाली स्टोरी बना सकते हो, और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली आपने क्या करना है, इसे बनाना है. ठीक है? फिर हम उसे रावल डिजिटल पेज पे डालेंगे. ओके? ऑल ऑफ यू डन? So with this, let's say bye to each other for the day. It was my pleasure teaching to each one of you. So no thank you, it's all about learning. Yes? And you have to rather than saying thank you, you should say that ma'am, we are going to learn and we are going to improve and redesign our language skills. No, I don't teach in Raval International School. All right? आपने सिर्फ बना के रखना है, उसकी फोटोज पोस्ट करनी है. ठीक है? All right, students, bye bye. See you. Enjoy your day. Thank you.